welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney and today I have some great products from Dollar Tree that I buy to clean shoes with. I get a lot of shoes that I sell online, Poshmark, eBay, things like that. So I'm constantly looking for cleaning products to make the shoes that I got in sellable, to get them to be in sellable condition. There we go. So anybody can use these, you know, whether you're selling them or whether you just want to clean up your own shoes to help them to last a little bit longer. So I'm gonna go into the haul and show you guys what I pick up from Dollar Tree to clean shoes with. The first thing I like to get are these microfiber cloths. I've tried using like paper towels and stuff and they always come apart whenever I'm trying to either clean or polish with them, but these are super soft. They're actually made for cars. You can find them in the car aisle, and they have other ones too that are not made for cars that are literally the same kind of deal. I just like these because they're super soft, and they're easy to like rinse out. So I picked these up. Show you what they look like. They just say microfiber cleaning towels, and they're just like this. Really good size. They will not come apart when you are trying to use them to clean with. You can wash them, you can wring them out. Just great to have on hand for cleaning in general. The next thing I get are these Dollar Tree Mr. Clean erasers. They do sell the Mr. Clean brand at Dollar Tree, but you only get one of them in a pack. So I picked these up because they come 2 in a pack, as you can see right there. But these are great for things like tennis shoes, sneakers, anything with a white sole. They tend to get this sort of like blue tint on them, and this will take it off. It will also take off any like ink or anything like that. And they have like a scrubby side and an eraser side, which I like, because this will help. It just has a little bit of texture to it to scrub without scraping the shoe. So I like to clean the soles of shoes with these, and this will take, the magic eraser part will take off any like discoloration or anything like that. The next thing I pick up, which is a little bit weird, but I get toothbrushes. These are really good for scrubbing shoes with, and you can get them in multiple packs at Dollar Tree. Just cheap toothbrushes that you can use to get gunk and stuff off with. A lot of thrift stores will actually write the price of the shoes in ink on the bottom of the sole, which drives me kind of insane. But I use these to scrub off ink or gunk or anything that scuffs, things like that, that I need to get off of the shoes. Also, to get ink off of the shoes, I use this. It's called Goo. This is a name brand product that they do sell at Dollar Tree. They also sell it at craft stores, Lowe's, things like that. But it's Goo and Adhesive Remover. You don't want to use this on leather, but you can use it on the soles on the bottom to get stuff off of the soles, gum, ink, anything gooey. But you basically just put it on there and you wipe it off. You can use hot water with it. That helps a lot. I use it with these cloths just because, like I said, the paper towels will come apart if you are scrubbing, and then if you need to use hot water with it, you're gonna want to use a washcloth and not a paper towel that's gonna fall apart when you're trying to use it. But this stuff is really amazing. You can see on the bottle it shows like shoes and crayons and glasses. This stuff will take off literally almost anything. Tape, adhesive. If you have like a price tag sticker you need to get off of something and it leaves that residue behind, this is amazing for getting stuff off. You can also put this on like a cotton ball or a Q-tip to use if you have smaller items, and just kind of rub it onto the sticky adhesive and it will take it right off. And also, I really like the way it smells. It has like an orange smell to it and it smells amazing. Next are products that I pick up to kind of restore shoes. I use these on leather shoes. You can also get this at Walmart, but I just like getting it at Dollar Tree because it's a little bit cheaper. The first one is this Kiwi shoe polish. This is a neutral color shoe polish. It also comes in brown and black. I just get the neutral one so that I don't have to worry about the different colors of the shoes or it staining the shoes or anything like that. You can use this on anything from light to dark color, and it just really restores the leather and the shine of the shoe. It's amazing. The next things that I have are polishes. They have a black Kiwi polish for black boots and things like that, and this stuff will actually, like, it takes off scuffs, it takes off any discoloration, things like that, and it really restores the shine of the shoe and makes them look brand new. It's really awesome to see how this can transform shoes. And then I also picked up the neutral one as well. These just really condition the leather and make them look brand new. And I also use it with these cloths, like I said before, just because I've tried using them with paper towels and it doesn't really have the same effect. The paper towels will kind of dissolve because of the polish, so definitely recommend using the cloths with these. And then also I just use a little bit at a time, don't use too much, and then just kind of add it as you need it. Just don't use too much at one time or you'll end up with a mess. But these are the products that I pick up from Dollar Tree to clean shoes with. I hope this helps someone. Like I said, great stuff to have on hand to help your shoes last a little bit longer and give them a little bit more life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.